Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day, and welcome back to Whiteboard Invest Crypto News. Let's dive straight into today's top stories shaping the financial and cryptocurrency landscape. First up, we have the latest update on Bitcoin's price and why is Bitcoin going up. Next, Bitcoin miner Northern Data mulls IPO for its AI unit, and Silvergate Bank to pay $63 million in settlement resolving federal and state probes. Meanwhile, Binance.US says it looks forward to its ongoing fight with the SEC. And next, Coinbase bags $32 million contract from DOJ for handling confiscated crypto. Lastly, Solana surges 12%. Since VanEck Sol ETF filing. All right, let's delve into the details of each of these stories right now. Bitcoin's price has jumped about 4.5% since June 29th, but the picture isn't all rosy. Sure, it defended a support zone from March 1st and preserved the lows from the past 3 months, with 63K now acting as resistance. However, despite these gains, higher timeframe indicators don't show a bullish reversal just yet. On lower timeframes, last week's bearish sentiment and imbalanced futures market suggest possible liquidations ahead. On-chain metrics give mixed signals too. The 30-day MVRV ratio is negative, showing short-term holders are at a loss, but the mean coin age has been climbing for 6 weeks, hinting at accumulation and undervaluation. A good sign for a potential rally. Yet, the network value to transactions ratio indicates Bitcoin might be overvalued compared to daily transactions, possibly stalling the bulls. Liquidity-wise, a 55K cluster wasn't tested, as bulls kept prices above the 60K psychological support. If the climb continues, 73K is the next target. But it's not a clear path. Analyst Julio Moreno pointed out potential minor capitulation, suggesting a local bottom might be in place. Meanwhile, Axel Adler noted that recent Bitcoin buys are mostly by exchanges, not the wider market, raising concerns about artificial demand and its long-term health. German Bitcoin miner and cloud computing firm Northern Data AG is eyeing an IPO in the U.S. for its cloud computing, Taiga, and data center, Ardent divisions, with a potential valuation up to $16 billion. According to a Bloomberg report, the company aims for a NASDAQ listing by the first half of 2025. Northern Data also hinted at a separate listing for its Bitcoin mining business, Peak Mining, which boasts 700 megawatts of data centers in development. Previously considered in 2021, the IPO didn't materialize then. Founded in 2009 as Northern Bitcoin AG, the firm has pivoted its focus back to Bitcoin mining after Ethereum's move to proof-of-stake in 2022. To support its growth, Northern Data secured $610 million in debt financing from Tether in late 2023. As Bitcoin mining profits thin, Northern Data, along with other firms like Core Scientific and Hut 8 Corp., is also expanding into AI. Silvergate Bank, once known for its crypto-friendly stance, has agreed to a hefty $63 million settlement to resolve federal and state investigations. This follows allegations that the bank misled investors about its compliance programs and financial stability, particularly in the aftermath of FTX's collapse. The settlement includes fines of $43 million from the Federal Reserve, $50 million from the SEC, and $20 million from the California DFPI. These penalties stem from findings that Silvergate failed to adequately monitor suspicious transactions and misrepresented its financial health. Former executives, including CEO Alan Lane and COO Kathleen Freyer, settled charges with the SEC, while CFO Antonio Martino plans to contest his case. The bank's reputation suffered further as it faced scrutiny over its dealings with FTX and Alameda Research, leading to its parent company's decision to liquidate Silvergate Bank in early 2023.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and keeps me motivated to bring you the hottest news updates every day.
Binance.US is gearing up to battle the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in court, asserting its compliance with U.S. laws despite facing accusations of securities violations. The company maintains it operates with a 1.1 reserve for customer assets and robust compliance and risk programs to ensure platform security. Criticizing the SEC's approach as regulation by enforcement, Binance.US accuses the Commission of political overreach under Chairman Gary Gensler. Despite extensive discovery processes, Binance.US claims the SEC has not produced evidence of wrongdoing. Confident in its legal position, Binance.US anticipates a favorable outcome in court, emphasizing its commitment to continue operations and introduce new features. Coinbase has been chosen by the U.S. Department of Justice's Asset Forfeiture Division, the U.S. Marshal Service, to handle custody and trading services for its Class 1 digital assets. This partnership underscores Coinbase's capability in managing institutional-grade crypto services securely and at scale, following a rigorous selection process by the U.S. Marshal Service. Despite facing regulatory scrutiny, Coinbase received over 3,140 BTC worth $241 million from the U.S. government for custody and liquidation, showcasing the government's trust in Coinbase's capabilities. However, this move has drawn criticism, notably from pro-crypto advocate John E. Deaton, who questions the inconsistency of using Coinbase for official transactions, while regulatory bodies like the SEC investigate the exchange for alleged unlawful activities. This incident highlights the need for regulatory clarity and alignment to support a stable environment for the crypto industry. Solana, SOL, saw a notable 12% price surge in the past week, spurred by VanEck's announcement of filing for a Solana exchange-traded fund, ETF. This move by VanEck, a prominent issuer of Bitcoin ETFs, aims to provide investors direct exposure to SOL, sparking increased interest and boosting SOL's value. Following the ETF news, the SOL ecosystem experienced a 9% rise within 24 hours, with specific Solana meme coins like BOEM and WEN also showing significant gains. In Europe, there are already several Solana exchange-traded products actively trading, such as CoinShares Physical Staked Solana ETN and 21 Shares Solana Staking ETP, indicating growing institutional interest. The potential approval of a Solana ETF in the U.S. could significantly enhance SOL's legitimacy in traditional financial markets, potentially attracting more institutional investments. This development underscores Solana's growing importance in the crypto space and its potential to broaden its influence in global financial markets.
All right, that's hottest news today. If you guys did find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe our channel for more free content. Thanks for watching. Peace out.